Welcome back to Coding Kickstart Academy. In this video, I'll show you how to create a professional and modern delivery service website using WordPress, completely free, whether you're starting a courier business, a local delivery service, or a logistics company. This tutorial is perfect for you. You don't need any coding knowledge, just follow the step-by-step guide and you'll have a fully responsive, mobile-friendly site in no time.
The website design we're using today is clean, beautiful, and highly functional. It includes key pages like Home, About Us, Services, Tracking, Contact Us, and even a quote request form, which is essential for delivery and logistics businesses. As you can see, the layout is user-friendly. The header contains your contact info, navigation menu, and a call to action button. The homepage includes a featured image with a powerful message, service highlights, and sections to showcase trust, like customer reviews and delivery speed. This template is fully customizable, meaning you can easily change the colors, fonts, text, and images to match your brand. It's also compatible with popular page builders like Elementor, so editing content is simple and drag-and-drop based. Plus, it's responsive, meaning it looks perfect on desktop, tablet, and mobile, whether you're just launching or already running a business. This template gives you a professional edge with zero cost. If you'd like to download this free WordPress template, the link is provided in the video description below. Just click it, and you'll be taken directly to the download page. No sign-up required. Follow along with this tutorial to install it on your WordPress site and start building instantly. And if you need help setting up your website, or if you'd like a custom WordPress site built for your business, feel free to contact me directly. And the best part? The template is mobile responsive, SEO ready, and built to perform fast, which helps you rank better on search engines and provide a great experience to your users on any device. And the best part? The template is mobile responsive, SEO ready, and built to perform fast, which helps you rank better on search engines and provide a great experience to your users on any device. Again, everything you need, the download link, contact details, and step-by-step guide, is right in the description below. So don't wait, download the template, follow the tutorial, and take the first step toward launching your delivery business online today. You can reach me through the email address listed in the video description. I'd be happy to help you get your site up and running. This template is designed to be easy to use and beginner-friendly. You can install it on any WordPress website, whether it's a new setup or you're redesigning your current site. You found this video helpful? Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Now let's build your delivery business website, step by step.